There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and throw me out of the alley you should fear. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing me out the dark. The stars of your love remind me of what we keep me thinking that we are a carry on. The stars of your love leave me restless. I can't help feeling we couldn't have enough. I hope I'm telling my